Think you've seen every kitchen gadget out there? Think again. These genius Amazon kitchen tools are so clever. You'll wonder how you ever lived without them. These sleek nesting grill baskets feature removable beechwood handles that not only look great, but also provide a secure, heat-resistant grip. Perfect for backyard BBQs or campfire cookouts. Made from heavy-duty, food-grade stainless steel. With a mirror polish finish, they're built to last and clean up in seconds. Thanks to their smart nesting design, both baskets and accessories tuck neatly inside each other, saving space whether you're packing for the outdoors or storing in your kitchen. Turn cold water into crisp, bubbly perfection with this stylish, sparkling water maker. No electricity required. With just a twist and press, anyone can create custom-level carbonation right from their countertop using standard CO2 cartridges and the included BPA-free bottle. Its slim design fits anywhere, making it the perfect kitchen upgrade for those who love soda without the waste or hassle. This adaptive one-handed cutting board is a game changer for individuals with limited mobility or anyone who needs to prep meals with just one hand. Its anti-slip base, food spikes, and bread stops hold ingredients securely in place, making slicing, peeling, and grating a whole lot easier. Designed by Fanware, a trusted name in adaptive kitchen tools, it's all about empowering independence in the kitchen. Say goodbye to stubborn lids with this easy grip twisting jar opener that opens jars of all sizes with minimal effort. Its large ergonomic handle and sharp gripping teeth make it a must-have for anyone with arthritis or reduced hand strength. Paired with a non-slip base pad, it provides the stability and control needed to open anything from spice jars to pickle jars. No hand strain required. Crack eggs cleanly in seconds. No mess, no shell pieces, with this genius egg cracker tool that does the work at the push of a button. Built with durable plastic, metal, and alloy steel, it's compact enough to fit any kitchen drawer but strong. Enough for everyday use. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is just as effortless as the cracking. Make your own healthy snacks at home with this powerful food dehydrator, perfect for drying fruit, veggies, herbs, or even pet treats with no added sugar or preservatives. With adjustable temperatures and a base-mounted fan for even heat distribution, every batch comes out just right. From DIY fruit rolls to dried flowers, it's a fun, mess-free way to preserve flavor and creativity, all with dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Keep your sink area neat and rust-free with this adjustable sink caddy made from premium stainless steel. Its telescopic design expands from 16 to 21 inches to fit most sinks, with 2 levels and dividers to neatly separate sponges, brushes, soap, and more. Designed for convenience, it features a non-slip grip, quick drain base, and smart layout to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Speed up your prep time with this 2-in-1 herb stripper that removes leaves and slices greens in seconds. No more tedious hand picking. Made from durable, food-grade stainless steel with 9 different hole sizes, it works on everything from thyme to kale. It's rust-proof, easy to clean, and comes with a protective cover for safe, eco-friendly, and efficient kitchen use. Crush garlic like a pro without the mess using this ergonomic garlic crusher. Designed with a rocker motion and soft rubber handle for effortless mincing. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it handles everything from a single clove to a full batch with consistent, uniform results. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it's a must-have for garlic lovers who want speed, comfort, and zero sticky fingers. Get fresh juice on the go with this compact, handheld portable juicer. Perfect for travel, small kitchens, or quick refreshment anytime. Upgraded with 8 blades and vertical drainage holes, it squeezes citrus fruits efficiently without the mess, or pulp. Made from durable, dishwasher-safe materials, its cute cylindrical design fits comfortably in your hand and easily in your bag. Shred meat like a pitmaster with these heavy-duty griller's meat claws. Perfect for pulling pork, chicken, or ribs without the burns or the mess. Ergonomically designed for control and precision, they deliver even restaurant-style texture every time. Dishwasher safe and built for backyard legends, they're the ultimate tool to elevate your BBQ game with zero cleanup stress. Make perfect eggs every time with the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, your go-to gadget for soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs in minutes. With space for up to 6 eggs and included trays for poaching, scrambling, and omelets, it's the ultimate time saver. For busy mornings or picky eaters, Compact, lightweight, and easy to clean, it's a must-have for small kitchens, dorms, or anyone who loves quick, mess-free meals.